Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to cook corn using the microwave. So let's start the procedure. Let's prepare the corn. Let's try to remove some husk or a few layers of the corn. Make sure that you wash the corn before placing it inside the microwave. You can place 1, 2, or 3, it depends on you. But make sure the minimum minute you place is 5 minutes, or just add 1 minute for every corn. And put at high temperature.
A few moments later.
Okay, let's check. Aray, mainit! Careful when pulling out the corn. There's some steam coming up from the husk. Get a plate and you can now remove the husk. Let's check kung successful po ang ating luluto ngayon. Wow, maganda siya. And this one. Wow, it's okay. We can leave it for a few minutes until it cools down. So there you go guys, luto na ang mais natin and we're going to eat. Bye!